If you ever get this message on your Tesla, you need to clean the front camera housing. And I can show you how it's done following these simple steps. All you need is a plastic prying tool and a hex screwdriver. So let's start by removing this plastic cover from the rearview mirror. It is the hardest part to remove. There are 2 clips on the sides and 2 others in the front. So we get the sides loose first and then remove the cover using the mirror as leverage. We let the cover hanging and proceed to remove the mirror. The mirror needs to be turned clockwise to be removed. It's a bit heavier than the plastic cover, but we can leave it hanging as well. Now for the camera housing. There are 4 clips. We use the prying tool to get the first 2. Then we can get the other clips carefully using our hands. We can get this part further down if we separate it from the headliner carefully. Next, these are the only 2 screws that we need to remove. There is 1 on each side. Using a screwdriver, we proceed to remove both screws. And then we can finally get the final plastic housing using our hands, pulling from the front down carefully. Now we see how dirty the plastic is. And we can also see that the window needs to be cleaned. So we start there with regular glass cleaner and a clean towel. I use some brushes to clean the plastic housing, but I recommend a lint roller. After we are done cleaning, we can start putting everything back, starting with the screws. We align the main housing with the headliner and insert the clips. Remember, there are 4 clips on this main housing. Next is the mirror. Now we have to rotate it counterclockwise to put it back in place. Make room for the plastic cover and we are done. And that's how easy it is to clean the front camera of your Tesla yourself. Way faster than scheduling a service appointment. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.